Garnish with almonds and pistachio. Water as per require. Bring it to boil. 60-gram multicolor vermicelli. Boil for 6 to 8 minutes. 1 liter milk. A half cup milk powder. Mix well. Bring it to boil. A half cup milk and 2 tablespoons custard powder. Mix well. Stir continuously until thick. Add boiled vermicelli. Cook low to medium flame for 3 minutes. One cup condensed milk. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. Two tablespoons cayenne chopped. 2 tablespoons raisins. 2 tablespoons almond chopped. Cook on low to medium flame for 3 minutes. A half teaspoon green cardamom powder.